Guys are going to the car wash today. You know, I'm gonna go wash my sister's car right now too. Like, I'm in the passenger front seat. It's Mr. Big Christmas right here, yeah? So, just gotta be patient, people. You know it, like.
You forgot to say we're gonna get gas.
No, oh yeah, don't worry about that. I'll say, yeah, we're gonna get gas first right now. So, we're just taking a little ride, you know. Jettas are good cars, you know, 2013. That radio's installed on it. For my sister too. When you back up on camera, do not hit it. When you brush a green line too. So, okay, we are gonna. Tomorrow is Mother's Days, you know. To all the Mother's Days, mothers who work hard in the year 21 in the past years. So, also that's right. So we're in Sherman Way liquor store. That was 81 pounds. Let's start being on diet now. That's right, guys. So we're on the road. Like, that's a nice coupe for me. Huh? I would have buy that. Those are better. Just gotta go easy. So we're at the stoplight. We gotta wait to like we're in Vario, huh? Like, that's a nice driveway. Wish I had a house like that, but in a year, can only do that, you know. Like, we're gonna turn on the right. We're going to Chevron first. Like, here we are. We're gonna fill gas and everything. So like, we're at the extra mile. Get some fresh air outside for myself. Like, you see, like the diesel, the 91. So we gotta take off the cap. I don't know how to do this.
Push it. Push the other side.
Right here? Oh yeah, wait. Make sure I take the cap off, you know, like, there you go. Like, that's when you fill your gas and stuff. Like, it's right inside, like, processing. Just wait. Here's the good part. Take what you want. Like, 87. You want the black one, right? Easy, Mr. Christmas. Easy, Christmas. You good? You can hold it by hand, like. Just hold it. Yeah, hold it. Like that. So we're gonna do it, the gas here, like PST, like unlimited only, like 87, like gas, 91, everything. So wait, I can't show the license plate. It's not my car, it's missing. Because I'm going to the motherland where my mom's from and my parents are from, Belize too. My car is gonna get sent up too. I mean, a very old one for myself too. Like, I want a project car, like a Toyota for my first, because I like making cool videos for fun. Check out the headlights on the Jetta. Look at it, like, it used to be my older brother's car. He sold it because he got a 2013 Audi car. Well, it's done already, so
I'm only going to put $20.
$20 already. So that's it then. So we're gonna get the car wash right now. So like, let's go inside the car.
Sensitized?
Yep. So we're done filling the gas too. We're gonna go to the car wash right now too. Let's go.
I can't come up this way.
Oh no, you can't come out that way too. So like, let me revlogger. I don't drive in cities. I don't drive in city because I sit in the front and take the video, take the video only. Yeah, that's how I am. You know it, dudes. Like, you gotta watch out and everything, you know, man. Like, I'm just visiting too. This is all I can do visiting. I don't got a house or apartment. I only got free lodging, you know. I don't have a car. I only got a bike for now. So we're done filling the gas right now, and we're waiting for the green light to come. Go, hold on. Like, wow, there's 2 buses in that driveway. That's cool. Roscoe, huh? Okay, huh? We're in Roscoe Boulevard. Maybe in Roscoe. Okay, that's the Northridge Nights, huh? Sure, we're the forest and like, yeah, we're at the car wash now. So we just reach in, like, Taco Bell. Good Mercedes car. So we're pause the camera. And we're inside, and we're gonna go right here. So I gotta turn the video off. Okay. Yeah, the coins, like, we got the check out with the coin, right? I got the coins,
Yeah,
I'm putting the top, Side 2, it's 38, so here we are. Like, we're rinsing the inside, the outside of it. Yeah, I have to wait to remind it. So guys, like,
Just put the rest of the car here.
oh yeah.
Here, here.
What do I have to
Put the
do?
phone away.
All right, we're doing it here. Like, so we're doing right here, and
Keep going, Chris, all the way.
so we're doing it. So Christmas, like, oh sorry, I'm gonna turn it off, you know. Later. We're on reds right now, too. So oh sorry. All right, so it's telling you the time now. 54, 53, 52. Oh, right. Almost done now. Oh yeah, we have to get out of the way. This is gonna get wet, dog. All right. 13 seconds up, huh? Time's up. All done now. Oh, it's all good now, huh? Now it's all washed and everything. Look. See the rims, and they got like. Check the rims now. Rims already, like. We have to swap it now, like. For my viewer fans, like,
Get another $1 for the vacuum.
yeah, okay. Just bring the car there, huh? Find a spot, like you can vacuum.
Change the money for Chris.
What? Yep. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Yes, I know. Huh? Like, all right, we're gonna do stuff for the vacuum. So, like, we're moving the car now. So, like, there we go. You want this back? I'm gonna put it in right now.
Okay, you could vacuum.
Yeah, no. Open the whole car, Dada. Hey. You went first person today, right? Yeah, like that. All right, we're doing it inside. Ah. The car is all rinsed now. It's shiny. It's very shiny now. Like, look at it. Like, you see the shiny come out from the rinse and the rims too. Like, that's the back lights. And see the Volkswagen badge. VW. Very good lights. Like, subscribe. Make sure to smash this subscribe button from Big Christmas right here. Look at that. Enjoy the video. Have a nice Mother's Day tomorrow. So, the moms who've been working hard, your jobs too. Oh, the decal got up KTM like that. My dad's just sweeping it for my sister too. Huh? See the muffler underneath, like,